Hi, everybody. I'm here to show you a particular software that kids, students, and teachers can use called Soundtrap. There are other programs out there like Soundation, BandLab, which are great, fantastic. In my experience, I found Soundtrap to be the more user-friendly, particularly in a time frame where kids are most likely maybe learning this at home for the first time. So you're trying to maybe find something that is easy for them to grasp, but yet something that they can take hold of and move forward with. So this is Soundtrap. If you're a student or an educator looking to get on for the first time, you're going to want to go to Login up in the upper right-hand corner here. So I click on Login. If you don't have an account, if this is your first time, you'll be clicking there. And then it will direct you to a login page where you sign up with your name, email, and a password and so forth. The easier way is just to log in with Google, which is what I do right here. I pick my school account that I already have created, and it's going to bring me to the main page that a student and a teacher would see. Let me move this over here. And if you look down here, these are all the projects that I've created and have saved on Soundtrap. And it saves it to the cloud. It's web-based. So this program is great for Chromebooks, at-home computers, laptops, and there's even an app for it for iPhone and Android that kids can actually do this on their phone. So the first thing that you want to go to is enter the studio. And this is where the heart and soul of Soundtrap is, where you start creating your music. If you want to do a podcast, you can do podcast. Click on music, which is probably what we're going to want to do. And in the center right here, there's some grayed out icons, browse loops, patterns, beat maker, play the synth. You can actually hook up a keyboard to your computer and you can play along, invite a friend, import file, add new track. We're going to click on browse loops. And when we do that, it brings us to some categories right here. And I'm going to start with, where are we? Go to bass. And if I scroll down here, there's some bass sounds. And you'll notice underneath it says Music Makers and free. I am still using a free version, but I've used the educator logon because Soundtrap 2 days ago opened this up for a 3-month free trial period. So that's what I'm using. And it allows you to create classes and assignments, but that's for further investigating with this program. But for now, the free version, you can pick on any one of these. I'm going to click on Retro Funk. If I like it, I'm going to drag it. And there's my clip. It starts playing automatically, so I'm going to just stop that, and I'm going to take that, and I can loop it as long as it lines up to a grid. I'm going to try a drum sound. I'm going to X out of here and go to drums and see what I can find by scrolling down and find all these beats, beat 2 full. So I take that, and I'm going to drag that over here, and I'm going to do a little staggering and drag that over. So when I hit rewind at the bottom, brings my cursor back, I press play, and these clips will all line up. So in this, you can teach form, you can teach all kinds of concepts, do all different types of projects, layering, adding different tracks. And then the last thing that the student wants to do is up here, it says untitled song. You want to save it and give it a song title. So whatever you want to give it a title, project 1 with the student's last name, and it automatically saves to the cloud after I clicked on save. And if I exit studio, you will see that my project shows up right there, and it's mixing. It takes a few minutes. But that's the general how to start up on using Soundtrap. I'm going to show you a video later on is what do you do with these videos now if I want to share them with a teacher for graded assignment, because it works great with Google Classroom and email. So hope you enjoy this, and good luck with your Soundtrap endeavors.